வணக்கம். வெல்கம் டு அறிவலை FM podcast channel brought up by பாரதி எஜுகேஷனல் இன்ஸ்டிடியூஷன் ரெட்டிப்பட்டி நாமக்கல். அறிவலையின் அலைகளில் மிதப்போம். This audio mirchi platform is full of learning and extraordinary knowledge. So don't miss, stay tuned. தொடர்ந்து இணைந்திருப்போம். இது உங்களுக்கான பாரதியின் அறிவலை podcast. Hello everyone. Hope you're fine. To prevent ourselves from coronavirus, wear mask, wash your hands regularly with soap and water, maintain social distance in the crowd, avoid touching your face, and stay home if you feel unwell. Dear listeners, in my last podcast, I shared about silence, sheer mantra to success. How silent people are successful. I shared 5 points. They are great planners, they are good listeners, they are very creative, they choose their words carefully, they are great observers. And now here we go with remaining 5 points. Sixth point, they keep only the best people. Hope you know that introverts are likely more selective in their social circle. They don't mind having only a few friends, but they know to count their qualities. If you are an introvert, you prefer quality over quantity, isn't it? Therefore, despite being a quiet person, networking is still possible. Oh my God. You know the difference of networking between silent people and the loud ones are the relationship is often premeditated. An introvert businessman knows who should associate himself with, as it helps to create both beneficial and meaningful relationships. Seventh point, they know their priorities. Imagine if there are any bad qualities of silent people left. It's incredible how they attribute and see them as weakness. If so, they input a lot of positive trials to overcome those bad qualities. It is an wonder, even if you would have observed that silent people may not be the most fun at parties, but they know their priorities. Why some silent people are successful is that they know where they stand and they stick to their beliefs. For example, a person who focuses on food and beverage industry knows their priorities. Before expanding their business to an unrelated field, a consistent effort and right priorities are more likely to result in success. Eighth point, they can gain trust easily. While being a trusted person may not have anything to do with how someone gets their energy. You know, it is understandable that others think silent people are more trustworthy, isn't it? Yes, not talking all the time, and it is also a sign of good self-control. They know that some things are better left unsaid, especially if it deals with confidential information. Example, take a look at banker who probably knows the password of your saving book, or an intelligence agent who knows the undisclosed secret. People choose them for their ability to zip their mouth and not spill secrets all over the place. And now, ninth point, they are self-aware. Another reason why silent people are successful is they are aware of their ability and their shortcomings. They know that every startup will not skyrocket in an instant. That is, every trial will not hit the success. Am I right? Yes. As a result, they are likely to follow a program to improve themselves and to fill the gap of their flaws with other qualities. Self-awareness is not to be mistaken with being self-conscious. Being self-aware means they know they lack something, but instead of winding up about it, they seek a solution to make the best of their flaws. 10th point, they have a good self-control. As stated before, silent people tend to have good self-control. Being self-aware and focusing on a single thing means they don't overindulge themselves in stuff that will not benefit them. With this quality, some silent people are successful because they know what they should do and what they shouldn't do. They only focus on their productivity instead of just pleasing people for their needs. I know being quiet in a loud world can be tough, but if you realize that silence can utilize many good qualities, I am sure that your silence will be a great guidelines to balance your life carefully. So my dear listeners, today we came through few points how silent people are successful. Anyhow, stay safe at home, be silent, and generate ideas to chase your success. Take care. Bye bye.